Hello, I'm John Mitchell, President and CEO of IPC. Chances are you've heard these terms, reshoring and onshoring. They reflect the perceived trends of bringing manufacturing jobs back to North America or creating new jobs on this side of the Pacific Ocean. Both trends are of critical interest to IPC members and the electronics manufacturing industry. As our industry continues to debate whether onshoring and reshoring are an ongoing sustainable trends or temporary phenomena that will fade in the future, it's important to keep one thing in mind. Regardless of where our industry locates its facilities, the end goal is to expand business in a way that makes the most sense to the future growth of our industry. At IPC, we've been taking a close look at onshoring and reshoring and its impact on industry's bottom line. In 2012, we surveyed executives in all segments of electronics manufacturing in North America regarding their sourcing trends and policies and published our findings on numbers of operations returned to North America, types of operations returned and where, the value of operations returned to North America, jobs created in North America by responding companies, and decision drivers to return operations to North America. The study reported that 11% of the electronics companies surveyed brought some operations back to North America since 2009, and 19% located new operations in North America after considering overseas locations. That study, based on a survey of 229 companies with global revenues totaling more than $935 billion, confirmed that onshoring is on the upswing. This year, a follow-up study, released last week, confirmed that companies have continued to locate new and are returning operations in North America. And more onshoring is planned for the coming year. Last year's survey showed that OEMs were largely responsible for operations returned to North America from overseas since 2009, accounting for more than 90% of the value and number of jobs brought back. This year's follow-up survey found that EMS companies are now the leading contributor to onshoring. Most of the relocated operations reported in IPC's 2013 survey were moved from China to the US. This year, companies such as Apple, GE, Lenovo, Ford, and even Walmart have all announced their intent to move production operations back to the United States, invest in US facilities, or buy American-made products. With major electronics and product companies and retailers paving the way, the onshoring trend is expected to expand in many segments of the supply chain. The cost of restoring manufacturing to North America may seem daunting for some companies. However, the cost of onshoring compared to the cost of rising labor and energy prices overseas, and less explicit costs such as required oversight and increased risk due to IP insecurity and political unrest, shows onshoring as a likely sustainable trend. In short, manufacturing companies cannot afford to ignore the onshoring movement. Next week, IPC will hold its popular Technology Market Research Conference, where more details on the onshoring and reshoring trends will be discussed. I hope to see you there. As always, IPC stands to support you, our members, as you weigh the business advantages of onshoring and reshoring as they apply to your business. Our market research department is committed to continually assess the markets in electronics manufacturing and report our findings to you. This is your association, and we are here to serve as your trusted information source. I look forward to hearing your thoughts or answering your questions after you've had a chance to read the survey report and digest its contents. Please do not hesitate to contact me or IPC's market research team to discuss reshoring and onshoring trends and how they impact your business. Thank you.